I am right here with my bicycle and I let the kids ride it. Now the grips are missing off the handlebars. There's 2 holes in the seat, and the back tire, when you go to air it up, there's a hole in the tube. So I'm gonna show you how to change a tube in a bicycle tire, starting right here with this 15mm nut. And I'm gonna try to do this before dark. The sun is right here. We've got just a few more minutes, and I've already got step 1 done, turn the bike upside down. So I've got a 15mm socket, and I got a 15mm wrench. And a Phillips head. There's one Phillips head. Keep that somewhere safe. Here's the old tube. Now to put the new tube in. I'm gonna put the valve stem in first. It's in the valve stem hole. Once the tube's in place, we'll put the tire back on the wheel. Time to air it up. And it's a good idea to air it up a couple times. Air it up, let the air out, air it up, let the air out. That kind of gets the wrinkles out of the tube. Make sure the valve stem's in straight. Air it back up. And then one more time. The tire's ready to ride. We'll check the pressure after we get it back on. And then to put it back on, you just reverse the steps. Chain on the gear. I'll put this bolt in first, but I'm gonna tighten it up last. Tighten up these 2 15mm nuts. And now, other than checking the tire pressure, we're done before dark. Still got a few more minutes. Time for a test drive. The tire says to inflate to 40 PSI. We'll do that now, and I've got a lime green valve stem cap. The bike used to have lime green on it. Would have matched good. $23 right now. And we're dead on 40. Put the cap on, and we'll check the front tire. We'll go for a test drive. $39, good enough for me. Put the cap back on. So the screw I used the Phillips head on, that's this one. There's a nut on the back side. If you can't get it off with your fingers, you can use a crescent wrench. So Phillips head, crescent wrench, 15 millimeter, your air tools, and that's all you need. And still not dark. The bike rides again. There's that back tire.